Okay, let's talk about this computer real quick. This computer has the most asinine design I've ever seen. You see how we have this hinge support over here? Let me make this so you can actually see this a little bit better. And not much I'm going to be able to do because this thing is quite white. So, you see how on this side we have a single hinge support, and this side we have no hinge support. I initially thought that this was damaged, so I was going to call the customer and tell them, hey, we need to order this. Well, turns out this is the way this is designed. Someone at Dell was like, I know how we'll save money. We'll get rid of one hinge support. So the way this laptop broke was that these screws, the little bosses over here for the screws, ripped out. What do you think is going to happen the next time? So I'm just preparing to have to do this repair again in a couple months. This thing is... How someone thought this was a good idea is beyond me. It's just... Yeah. So let's put it back together. Why would they think this is a good idea? I don't understand. I just don't. Like, only having support for this entire screen vertically on one side. Let's see if this thing will go back together with new hinges installed. Click. That did not click in at all, did it? Made the click sound. It did not click in. This goes underneath this. That's strange. Should have known that, seeing as I know they took that off. Wi-Fi antenna. Alright. This does not want to go back together. It's exciting. Even though this wasn't held together with adhesive originally, I might have to hold it together with adhesive. Somehow, seeing as these clips are not lining up at all. And as I say that, now I can't get it apart. I think this thing being apart for so long like caused actual damage to the screen. Oh, that's what the problem is. These clips are actively broken. Oh boy. Actually, needs to curve up. Like the rest of this is going to hold together, I think. Or not. You know, that's also an option. But because this corner of this laptop, which is where the damage happened originally, like, was bent for so long, it does not want to go back together. So I'm going to have to figure something out here, because this whole thing is, like, this left side is fine. It's this right side where all this damage initially happened that doesn't, like, want to go back together. Let's see if this will click together without these Wi-Fi cables in here. So I can just move that out of the way. Because if it will, that means it's these Wi-Fi cables causing me problems. So it is the Wi-Fi cables causing me problems. Mostly. This corner is still like not securing itself together. So that's exciting. I can try and put some adhesive down there. And very gently open this thing back up. But now that I know that, hopefully I can correct this. Yeah, none of these clips up top are actually holding in. Alright, well, let's try and... Let's channels are slightly different. Try this again. All right, I got a positive click that time. Still nothing along this top though. Like, I guess let me figure out how I'm gonna do this. And I'll have to tell the customer. Yeah, that's alright. That's not coming apart now. I'm still just gonna tell the guy, look, the glass on this thing, the whole thing warped. There's adhesive holding it closed now. Trying to put a little pressure here. So there's adhesive holding this closed now. So unfortunately, like you're gonna have to open and close it like this, and you're gonna have to be real gentle. The guy's probably gonna say he's gonna end up replacing it in the future. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you ever have a question or concern about your computer, and you just want to see if you can get an answer, swing by my Twitch channel. I'm usually there live. I can either myself or one of my community members will be able to answer your question. So stop by, hang out, and maybe learn a thing or two.